Hello guys, I'm really sorry for the bad English accent. I am Greek. The scope of this video is to show you how you can easily make a smoke detector in order to see if there's any escape of the air from the tubes and all the stuff that goes around in the engine. So the simplest thing you can do is use just a little pump, the one that I use in order to extract my oil from the engine when I want to replace it. And as a smoke producing machine, I use an e-cigarette. The output goes into the intake of the engine with a balloon, just a simple balloon around the boot. The tube goes in there, and then the only thing you have to do is start your pump, and then the smoke machine. Sorry, a little bit. The tube came out. Okay. Here we are. So, as you can see here, I have a little problem with my DISA, which is making some smoke coming out. So obviously I have a leak just right over there. I don't know if it's really visible, but I hope you can see that. So I hope this video helped you. At least as much as it helped me to identify my leaking issue. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.